Alright, let's do a little light dusting of makeup for the gym. Kind of show you what I do. This stuff is my favorite. It's definitely not available anymore, but it's the best for like if you have like a sweaty face. This stuff stays on. CoverGirl, the active one. I use this little brush thing and it's amazing. I like it better than a beauty blender. My skin is so dry because it's dead of winter. I've been doing a red light therapy mask because I got it for Christmas from my sister and I'm obsessed with it. And I really think it's making a difference. I'm excited. Gotta stay young forever. I've been using this bronze stick by ColourPop and I've been liking it. Just so I can get a tiny bit of color because I am so white right now. I've been seeing people doing self-tan and I'm like, oh, I should do that, but like, so much effort to do a self-tan. And like, I cover myself up with clothes anyway, so half the time I'm in a turtleneck and leggings or like yoga pants. Okay, I've got some color. Also, this stack is so cute. These are from Amazon and this is Marshall's. I just got this. It's like a road dupe for the teddy bear color blush and it's so cute. It's like a terracotta. Oh, my nose. Look like I'm alive a little. Oops, that would have been, maybe that was a little too much. Yeah, that was a lot. Whoops. But it'll blend in. I'm going to the gym when we get red anyways. Alright, so let's get this Saturday going. And then like I said, we have a snowstorm. We're gonna get like 8 to 12 inches tomorrow, so I might have to go to the grocery store and get some like essential things at the store after the gym, so I could bring you along with me for that. And we're gonna have a fun weekend though, so let's do this. I totally forgot that I have to do my eyebrows and a little bit of mascara too. Also, L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, Carbon Black, literally is the best stuff in the world. I try other things and I'm like, no, this is the best. I've been using it since like high school, maybe college. I got my sister hooked, everyone in the fam, and a little summer Fridays. I like the pink one better, but this one's really pretty too. Fit is Amazon, Halara, Amazon socks, and Hoka shoes. Alright, let's go to the gym. First I'm gonna get some coffee. You can see my breath, that's crazy. Literally says 14. Crazy. 14 degrees. So cold. Alright, got my electrolytes. I might do some self-care stuff today, I was just thinking. I need to like whiten my teeth. I should do a self-tan, but it's so much effort, I don't know. We'll see. And then some skincare I'll do. And then like a fun little cozy warm night in because it's literally going to be like 5 degrees tonight. It's only 15 right now and it's during the day when the sun's out. And then grocery shopping to get some water just in case something does happen. We're praying we don't lose power. And then we need eggs and like the necessity stuff. Yep, 2 pumps brown sugar, less ice and cream, and a medium iced coffee. I love the Dunkin' app, it's so easy. You just load money on it and then scan this and then it's all done. I don't even have to get my wallet out. Taste test. so good. I'm like queen of backing in my new car, and it's so exciting because it's a big car. I used to drive this way smaller car, so I love backing in and being like, yep, just did that. Workout was done. That was a good workout. I had to get a full body workout in because I think the gym's gonna be closing early tomorrow because of the snow, so I got everything kind of done. I did like 45 minutes of cardio and then full body weights. So that's good. I feel good. I feel like I sweat a lot, which I needed to do that. Now I'm gonna go to Stop and Shop and get some groceries because I was thinking I might make shepherd's pie either tonight or tomorrow night. So I make this really good low carb shepherd's pie. Instead of potato, you do mashed cauliflower, and it's so good. So I'm gonna be making that either today or tomorrow, so I'm not sure yet. But gotta get ingredients for that, and then like I said, I have to get stuff like necessity things for if we do like run out of power, like make sure we have like batteries, water, other like all that kind of stuff. So on my way doing that right now, and then I think I'm gonna have a chill day today, but who knows what I'll get into. It's not as crowded today. I thought it'd be way crowded because this morning when I looked, it was like cars all the way back here. Grocery shopping is done. We got some good deals at Stop and Shop. We love that. And I think we're gonna be all set for groceries for the snowstorm. Brought the firewood in from outside for the fire. I just got out of the shower. Like I said, I'm gonna do a little bit of self-care tonight, so let's whiten our teeth. Let's do a face mask now. Alright, we got some self-care done. I feel better. The face mask, my teeth whitening strips are still in. My famous spicy one. The snow has started. It's Sunday, the day of the snow blizzard. It's already probably like a couple inches. We're parking our cars there so we can ply ourselves out. We gotta document how many inches per hour. It's probably like, I don't know how many inches now. Maybe like 2 or 3. Alright, let's see how many inches now. Before it was like 11 a.m. and now it's probably 2 p.m. And it looks like it's like probably like an inch more. You can see our cars. So, 2 p.m. check. Alright, the Patriots game is about to be on in 20 minutes. I'm going to go down and make some bean dip before really quick and then watch the game. I'm so excited. I hope they win. Let's go. The pre-show before the game. Patriots have to win. Alright, let's make this bean dip. So these are the key ingredients. So we have refried beans, salsa, then olives that you put on top, and then some onion, and then fresh tomato on top, and cheese.
It has been 749 days since he last began a game.
Here's the famous bean dip. It's so good. So there's a layer of bean dip, salsa, cheese, fresh tomato, onion, and cilantro, and olives. I think it's like 4 o'clock now, and 4 o'clock, and maybe there's like 5 to 6 inches. And we're watching the game. It's halftime now. Oh, stressful game. Pray they play better for the second half.
right in the middle of it all. The officials going ahead and signal first.
With that 10-7 victory, they
Patriots
move on
going to the Super Bowl.
Still ahead, the Lamar.
Shepherd's pie time. Yum. I'll show you the process for this a little bit. All right, let's make some shepherd's pie next. That game was super stressful, and literally cooking is my therapy. Got a glass of wine to celebrate the pats, and then so I'm gonna do some chopping here. Have some carrots and celery, and then onions, and I'll get the beef and garlic. So let's get started on that. We're getting the shepherd's pie going. I have all my veggies chopped up in this. I'm sauteing them to get like caramelized and soft. Then I add some, probably like 1.5 pounds of beef. And then last minute I add in the peas. And then the cauliflower, that's gonna be on top of the cauliflower mash, is boiling. And then I just blend this at the end, and I add heavy cream and butter and salt and pepper and garlic powder. It's so good. That's my making. Cheers. And it's also still snowing outside. It's kind of crazy. I'll show you. I probably have like maybe a foot. I don't know. I'll show you. Like so much snow. This is wild. Look at our cars. Like that's for reference. It's like 7 o'clock now, so I think it looks like at least a foot. Yeah, everything's like buried. This is gonna be so fun to shovel. First layer's done. Then I add the mashed cauliflower on top. I'm doing that now. Oh my god. My mom's shoveling right now. This is definitely like a foot.
Definitely a full of snow.
This is more than 14.
Yeah. Definitely a foot of snow.
Yeah.
It's very heavy. Now I'm gonna put the cauliflower mash on top of this. Dinner is done. I just have to put cheese on top of this. Snow day and shepherd's pie. You can't beat that. Just gotta put cheese on top. Bomb. That goes in the oven a little.
To the Seattle's 45-yard line where they can try a long field goal.
Final product, so yummy. Yum. Caesar salad and shepherd's pie. Alright, the blizzard is still going on, but I'm closing out the vlog here. Definitely looks like we got like a little more than a foot of snow, and it's 11 p.m. So good night, everyone. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Hope you enjoyed this one.